Nah, you gotta crank that motherfucker.
Ghost ride the whip.
Shit, boy, it gonna get dark by the time I hook this motherfucker up.
Giving it all she got.
That's it?
No, we gonna push this motherfucker in.
Oh, I'm about to. Boy, we ain't have to push this motherfucker at all, boy. Gotta crank
Boy,
it.
you lucky your nephew got them huge ass arms, boy.
Shit, boy, that shit doing all the work for you. Got the beamer at the house. About to drop the motor and transmission in. And then head to Clearwater. There go baby Ed. He flicked me off. Hey, you know this going on YouTube. He's like, don't care. He did it again.
I know it might. Yeah, I like it though. It won't work with my car. Not with the thing.
No, I would like that on the outside of the car.
You never know, it might be.
It looks like Papa Smurf, right?
Oh,
Oh, that sucks.
damn, dog. We gotta get some beers. Damn. Trying to kill me, nephew. I told you.
You guys aren't gonna cover it.
No.
Nigga, that's my side.
Yeah, you take it forever.
God, watch out.
You know, can you tell whose side looks better?
Cause you started first
Man,
on that
you
side.
you hitting the towers and shit, dog.
Nigga, fuck the towers. You look at you.
That shit looks mint.
Plus, my shit. This the one you used, and it's about to be out of paint.
Yeah, that's when it starts fitting, you know? It looks so much better than the gold, right? Yes, no, maybe it does.
Damn, I can't breathe.
I don't think she likes it.
We don't know yet. We haven't got that far.
You guys decided on the blue at the end today.
It was the only color that looked nice. Out of everything.
I told her purple, though.
I ain't gonna do purple.
That would have been nice. What kind of purple though, actually? Like dark purple?
It was a gay fucking purple.
How many cans? Those the only 2 cans y'all got?
No, we got more. I'm just trying to use as much as I can out of this one.
This is money's worth.
Bitch is expensive.
$50.
What the fuck? This should have been my hood.
So Joey now.
Oh damn, Joey, that hood is a little fucked.
No, it's alright.
Damn. Is that? What is that on the big drill on the top of the hood?
Yeah, I don't know
Why
why.
the fuck would they do that?
They wanted to make sure that he saw the fucking
Right over the dent. Alright, sweetie.
I love you for your imperfections.
Damn, they look all dirt, bro.
Good shit. Why?
I told this nigga we should wash these. Like, we need that kind of shit.
Spray over it.
Bro, my fucking shit. You wanna hold the light?
Sure.
Wanna hold both lights?
She didn't say nothing that time.
Are you recording this? Oh, that's funny.
We need Sean here. Yeah. Those are a lot more funnier shit. Ooh, ready? I'm trying to help this nigga. He pushes me.
Oh, this one's spraying nice, boy.
Yeah, no. When I changed mine, I was like, dude.
Damn, you done fucked up my side, bro. Now everybody on YouTube's gonna be like, damn, the passenger side look like shit. Cause your shit's
My
ass.
side is way better than your side.
This camera's showing all the imperfections.
You recording on your phone?
Yeah. I got the GoPro in my hand.
We should paint the whole car this color. I'm like, god damn, the Papa Smurf E36 is here to slide.
I can't breathe.
Yeah, that's why I said you're gonna die.
You gonna step right in front of the camera.
Spray my goddamn shoes.
Bro, no, Joey's gonna come out here, come outside in the morning and look at this. What the fuck?
You gonna be like, god damn it, nephew, why'd I listen to you? Step back. Step back.
You ready?
What's up? Nigga.
Oh, you're stepping out?
Yeah.
So watch out.
Get wet. You aren't gonna get paint on you.
Full shock. Wake up in the morning, boy.
Fucking blue hair.
Blue shoes.
Damn, where you get the blue Jordans from? None of them bitches was out yet.
We should let it dry a little bit.
Nigga, you
It's really hard to see, like, what else you gotta
You know
touch
we
up.
can't paint, nigga. You seen what we did to my car. Fucked it up.
I was just doing what you wanted to do.
Well, I didn't want to fuck it up. The deeper we got, the more fucked up we got. Mako looked at me crazy when I brought that bitch there. No, it sucks. You can't even swing your ass. You see any spot?
Oh, you recording?
Hell no, there ain't no spot.
There ain't no fucking spots. Shit.
It rained last night or this morning, but I mean, it looks good. Now you'll see some runs, but I promise you, those were there with when they had that gold paint on. They didn't do a good job. And we didn't sand the car down or anything. So, I mean, we didn't do it the right way also, but we didn't, those runs, we didn't do that.
So we put a little glitter blast on it. Just let it dry for a little bit, and then we'll hit it with the clear coat.
Hit it.
Take your time. Don't rush through it. Jesus gonna love it. It reminded me of my pants, dog.
Damn, dog, y'all really know how to do that?
You're gonna be flamboyant. We gonna be some sparkly motherfuckers when we get to the junkyard. What you think? After? Before? I like it like this. Did you? I prefer this. I think you only need one can. Oh, that shit looks good. I don't know. In the future, it's gonna get changed. They shut off? No. Spit it out. I told you.
That looks nice, Joey. My mom.
How you doing? I don't think. What? It's not. It doesn't.
Nice with the sparkles.
Here, watch out. Yeah, it does. It looks good, Jeff. When?
Today.
I'm going to a junkyard, I guess.
Eddie said he's going to the junkyard, but yeah. Him and Joey are probably leaving.
GoPro's dead? About to go in. Oh, that bitch is in. No? Yeah, yeah, give it a little push. Well, it's not gonna go down. Watch your hand. There it goes. Stop it. Stop it. Get up. Your skin fucked up. Check it up. What? Just leave where it says to put them, damn it. We gotta turn the engine. Yeah. So you're gonna have to come here and. You want gloves? What? Gotta turn the engine.
the nut off and you thought it was gonna come
No,
off?
I thought the nut was like loose.
Go try to listen from the bottom now. Now let's off the ground. Hey, I gave you the transmission brake. Right? The transmission bracket. To hold the transmission up. I gave it to you, right? It should be inside the table. This is nice and went in good. The first few threads are shitty and then goes back to being good. Ratchet? So much for painting. You need a ratchet? Is that a ratchet?
You threaded it?
Yeah.
Just leave it for now. Let's drop the.
We can't get fucking.
Well, it's not like you're driving it today. Paint didn't hold up too nice.
I already said that, nigga. You late.
Oh,
I showed them that shit already.
damn.
It's my stupid ass nephew did that.
I like this paint too.